Stuff, Sunil. I mean, if the girls are here, could I do this? No?
Oh, baby alligator, do you love your mommy? I knew it! You do love me.
Well, Shivers, if you're hungry, you may certainly
Help myself.
Thank you.
I wish there was something we could do about Wiggles McSunbass.
He's gonna destroy everything if we don't stop him.
Indeed. It is the live and plus some, if I might add. Add away, my friend. Add away. Well, I certainly do. Our special Minka shouldn't have to be exposed to you and your sweatpants.
Well, excuse me, your specialness.
No worries, Blythe. We're good.
Was he like that when we left him?